back at Wainui. And it's sunshine. House is looking really good. Garden's cool. Garage is great, you have to drive straight in. And yeah, the beach is still out there. Yeah, place is looking primo. Sam's a magician in the garden. So off to see my old house that I built in 1978. See you later. Wainui Escape. Douglas Street. Rural post office. Not too bad. A lot of it hasn't changed. He's got a bus in there. This hedge was just like, it was tiny. Yeah, so we're just trying to think that when I planted these trees out here, it's getting close to 50 years ago. 22, 23, yeah, that'll be right. And here we are, 20 Douglas Street. Put the driveway in here. Not a bad effort by an old bloke. These little things here were about this high, single, when I planted them. Same as this side here. It's just incredible. It's fully scaffolded. This is just great. It's just too cool. Oh, hardly recognizable. Yeah? Oh, cool. Here they go. What is this? It's too cool. Oh, that goes. It does go to the septic. Yeah, yeah,
so
yeah.
Basically, it goes from there, right, square hole.
Great trip, great time. House is looking pretty cool. Back up the road. Wow. We are. Pretty stunning, huh? Just about flowering up there too.